If you're using OBS Studio to record or stream on your PC, keeping it updated is key for smooth performance, new features, and security fixes. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to manually check for updates in OBS Studio and ensure you're running the latest version. By the end, you'll know how to find and install updates with complete confidence, even if you missed that automatic update prompt. Let's dive right in. First, launch OBS Studio on your PC. If you're not sure where it is, look for the OBS icon. It's that black circle with orange lettering. Just double-click as usual to open it up. Now, sometimes you might see an automatic pop-up telling you about a new update as soon as OBS loads, but it's easy to accidentally close that or choose Remind Me Later. No worries, you can always check for updates manually, and that's what we're focusing on here. Once OBS Studio is open and you're looking at the main window, head up to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, but what you want is the one that says Help. Give that a click. It's usually near the far right. The Help menu is like your toolkit. It's where you'll find answers, access logs, and, importantly, check for updates. Within the Help dropdown, look for the option that says Check for Updates. Go ahead and select it. OBS will now scan to see if there's a newer version available. This only takes a moment, and don't worry, it's perfectly safe to do at any time. Think of it like checking for the latest version of your phone's operating system. You're simply making sure you've got all the best and newest features. If OBS finds an update, you'll see a prompt pop up describing the new version, often with some notes about what's changed or improved. Here, you'll have a chance to start the update process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Often, it's as simple as clicking Update Now, and OBS will take care of the downloading and installing for you. Depending on the size of the update and your internet connection, this part might take a few moments. So don't be alarmed if OBS seems briefly busy or the install bar hangs for a little. During the update, OBS might ask you to close the program and restart it afterward. That's totally normal. Think of it like upgrading any other app. You want it to reload with all the new pieces in place. When OBS restarts, you'll be running the latest version, complete with any bug fixes, security patches, and sometimes even cool new features or improvements to your workflow. Keeping OBS Studio updated not only keeps you safer, since old software can sometimes have vulnerabilities, but also means you're getting the best possible tools that the creators have to offer. So whenever you're about to start a big stream or record, it's great practice to check for updates, just in case something important was added. And that's it. You've now learned how to manually check for and install updates in OBS Studio on your PC. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or run into any tricky pop-ups, just drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials on streaming, recording, and all things creative technology. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.